Mm-hmm.
This is a green tea cocktail.
Oh, yes! I love a green tea shot. Even with peach schnapps in it.
I'm aggressive with you guys today.
Really aggressive.
Sorry. We're going to take an ounce of Irish whiskey. I guess that rabbit's pretty good, though. I mean, not the rabbit, the whiskey.
Hassenpfeffer?
Smells good.
Where's my Hassenpfeffer?
You're doing a certain rabbit that
Looney Tunes, Bugs Bunny.
Might be copyrighted.
Yeah. Here. It's fine. We're not that popular.
1 ounce of peach schnapps.
Okay.
1 ounce of sour mix.
You know, we haven't put sour mix and stuff in a while.
We're gonna top it off with a little 7-Up.
Thanks.
It's supposed to look like green tea.
He's already paused, so I'm thinking it's good. All right. Ready? Cheers. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Green tea.
My straw is a hole in it. I won't get out the straw. There's a hole in my straw. See if you hadn't been so aggressive with it. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Did you drink my drink?
Did you drink my drink?
Can you make me a drink?
Yeah, didn't we just have one?